My name is yeah? The issue about the school has no problem. We have liked the school, even as qualified teachers. Like, I cannot talk about my daughter. My daughter has not studied, baby. I've just brought middle. So, but what she has did is not very bad. It is me to continue with her, training her at home. Even the school teachers, they must help to train her. What a school help a child is to teach about English. Even a parent, you must be helping a child at home. You cannot just leave because the child has started the schooling. You leave a child to just go to school, where you, a parent, you just look at the child. If it has come back, you just look. It is not like that. What next?
So, would you recommend this school to any of your friends out there?
I would recommend to many. There is a friend of mine, there is a neighbor. I told her that integrated is a very good school. First of all, you have the gate whereby a child has no time to cross the road anyhow.
So now, is there any other recommendation you would give to integrated? Like advice?
Like advice? Advice I can give is for us parents, like we pay what development fee. Instead of a child to be a small share like this, single share, let even those nursery section, they make for them this seat. Because what I've seen, those plastic shares is very easy to be destroyed. Because those children, they cannot care of it. That is what I'm going to talk about, so that they make what they make for them.
How did you get to know about this school?
Even me, I was having my friend that was coming. She's the one, because
she's the one who told you.
She's having the children. Three of them.
It's okay. Thank you very much.